Tu Lietuva, tu mana, tu graži tėvynė, Lietuvėla, tu mana, šalala gimtinė. Tu Lietuva, tu mana, tu graži tėvynė, Lietuvėla, tu mana, šalala gimtinė.
Ladies and gentlemen, excellencies, colleagues, friends, I'm honored to be here with you in Cairo on the occasion of 33rd anniversary of restoration of independence of the Republic of Lithuania. Lithuania has returned to the family of independent, democratic countries after half a century of Soviet colonial rule.
It is a very important day that reminds us what do we have and where we are. And 33 years ago, we ended colonial rule and we embarked on the process of building a modern state. And this puts us in, makes for us the most important ideal of freedom and ideal of self-determination into our hearts, and we celebrate all Lithuanians worldwide.
Happy independence or restoration of the independent Republic of Lithuania 33 years ago. It's a great pleasure having them, first of all, in the European Union. They joined in 2004 with the other Baltic countries and many other member states that are now in the EU. They also joined NATO and they are part of the OECD. So really congratulations, and they're what I really love about them, they're in the forefront of digitalization, so which is very important nowadays to transform the economy into a digital outfit, and I think they're really in the lead on this issue in Europe. So we are very happy to have them here, very happy to cooperate with them, and I can also see there's a very good relationship between the Republic of Lithuania and the Arab Republic of Egypt, and we really appreciate that.
The congratulations to the National Day of Lithuania. Of course, as the ambassador has stated in his speech, Lithuania and Japan has many things in common. We share democracy, we share the marketism principle, and as Lithuania is a member of the EU and OECD, so we're very much looking forward to have closer relations. Of course, during the war period, we have a history of working together to save many people going through Lithuania by issuing the visas. So this is one of the kind of historical legacies that worked. Japan and Lithuania worked together for the sake of the many people. So congratulations.
I think it's really great to celebrate the Lithuania National Day, because it's the day celebrating the country regaining their independence from the Soviet Union 33 years ago. And for us as a neighboring country to see that and to be part of that is it's really great.
And Singapore and Lithuania are very good friends, so we wish Lithuania congratulations and a happy National Day.
I'd like to say a warm congratulations to the people of Lithuania on their National Day. Very warm relations between Ireland and Lithuania. I'm very happy to celebrate and be here today. Thank you.
Dear friends from Lithuania, best wishes and congratulations on the National Day of your country.
Lithuania is a friendly country to Turkey and friendly country to Egypt, and it is a very important country in NATO and in the EU. And as someone who has lived and worked in Poland, I know a little bit of Lithuanian people's history, which I respect and appreciate. Therefore, I would like to convey my congratulations to the people and the government of Lithuania on the occasion of their National Day.
I have to tell them that all our hearts and our feelings for them at this great day. Congratulations for them for this big event, and thank them for their presence all over the world, because they are so kind, so cooperative, and they are so beautiful people, and we like them a lot, and all the best for them for the coming and for the future days. May God well.
I'm Ahmed Ghunim, the director of the National Museum of Egyptian Civilization, and it's my pleasure to pass the great greetings to the Lithuanian ambassador and his spouse for the Lithuanian National Day. Hope them and wish them all the best. He's one of the very active ambassadors in Egypt, and I wish that the Lithuanian-Egyptian relationship become more stronger in his era.
So I think as a papal representative here and Apostolic Nuncio in Egypt, that I'm very pleased that this reception is taking place, and especially celebrating 33 years of recovered independence of Lithuania. And we know also for us that's a very important country, because it's a majority of Catholics in Lithuania, and all the history and the large history of the links between the Lithuanian people and the Holy See and the Church. And that's part also, I would say, of the identity of Lithuanian people, this attachment to their faith, this attachment to their nation also. I think it's always important also to see that being a country which is open to the sea and to the Baltic Sea is necessarily a country open to the world. And the presence of an embassy here in a very important and one of the most important African country like Egypt shows also the desire of the authorities of the people to make Lithuania known, and also to have these changes which are so important. And being Egypt a country of crossroads, and also Lithuania in a certain sense, because of all this movement of population and of all the trade movements which you have been having in your story, and also the present you have having in Central Europe. I think it's so important to feel that we have people, two peoples like the Egyptian one and the Lithuanian, who have something in common. So I wish all the best for the people of Lithuania. I wish all the best also to all the authorities that always have been inspired by their common faith, and especially this love for their countries, this love and preservation of what is their identity along the ages, and also working together for peace in a world which is so in trouble at this moment with all conflicts which are going on, and that the people can stay in security and safe, and at the same time that there be an harmonious development for everybody. God bless you all.